Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Utah Dual Sport channel. My name is James Burton. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy this video. Today I'm just riding out in the 5 Mile Pass recreation area on my Kawasaki. It's not the most adrenaline-filled video because I'm mostly out here testing out my new drone, having it follow me around on the motorcycle for the first time, and just getting some video with that. So I hope you guys enjoy what I put together here. This is a much shorter cut than my first release of this video, and hopefully it'll be a little more digestible for everyone. So appreciate you stopping by, and if you have any feedback, feel free to give me some comments, and of course like and subscribe goes a huge way, especially for a new channel like mine. So thanks everyone. Catch you later. Woo! All right. This is the cool spot here. Look at this crazy feature over here. Insane. Let's see if we can get it with the drone. Yeah, look at those crazy hills. They're nuts. Super steep. That one cuts through like a freaking canyon almost. Crazy. Another little technical spot. Commit. Thump right on up there. the straight route. If you just want to go right up the gut, I'll take the long way. There's the top of those crazy features. So cool. Crazy. Let's keep going. Watch out. Good job, Neo. Let's go putt around over here, see what's going on. Oh, there's another one. What? These things are crazy, man. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Just goes into the depths. That is scary. I'm like too scared to even walk out there. Whoa. Wow. You don't want to drop anything down there. Get over to the right here. Woo. That is some loose crud. Woo. Loose. Big loose ones. That's never fun. See where this goes. Boy, there's some rutted out roads. People will be racing through here. So cool. That is the coolest drone I've ever freaking owned.
It's a cool place to shoot. That's a gnarly road. Getting close to the highway over here, aren't I? I wonder if this is the 5 Mile Pass parking lot. Well, guys, that was fun. That's some of the roads. A small fraction of the roads on the 5 Mile Pass recreation area. You saw me kind of go up the canyon towards Mercer, which gets pretty tough up there after a while, and then came down and went south towards Lehigh and made my way towards the backside of all that stuff, and now I'm going to drive up towards Provo, Orem area. Well, not really. I'm going through Lehigh and American Fork to get back home. Look how cool this Neo is, man. Tell it to land. It's like, okay, no problem. I'll come put myself right on your palm.